So you're already on TikTok and have nailed the basics. Now let's take your content to the next level with advanced tips and tricks to elevate your strategy. TikTok's fast-paced environment favors creativity and consistency, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Experiment with TikTok's advanced editing tools to make your content stand out. Use the green screen effect to place yourself in creative settings or incorporate voiceovers for storytelling. Transitions like quick cuts, reverse, and slow motion can make your videos more dynamic. Try creating series like Tip of the Week or How It's Made to keep viewers returning to your channel. The more creative you are, the more likely you'll capture their attention. Jumping on trends on TikTok is essential, but the real trick is to adapt them to suit your brand. Find trending sounds and hashtags that resonate with your business, whether it's a viral dance, popular sound, or a trending challenge. Think creatively about how you can tailor to showcase your products and service. Remember, trends move fast on TikTok, so the quicker you adapt, the more you'll stand out. Your analytics on TikTok are a goldmine of information. Dive into your data to discover which videos are performing best, when your audience is most active, and what content drives the most engagement. Use these insights to refine your posting schedule, experiment with new content types, and adjust your overall strategy. For example, if you notice that your how-to videos get the most views, double down on that format. Engagement is more than just responding to comments on TikTok. You can take it up a notch by duetting popular videos, collaborating with influencers in your niche, or using TikTok's live feature to host Q&A sessions or product demos. This level of interaction builds a stronger connection with your audience and can significantly increase your reach. So are you ready to invest in TikTok? Ads are a powerful way to amplify your reach, and you can create short, engaging ads that blend seamlessly with your organic content. TikTok ads allow you to target specific demographics, so make sure your content aligns with your target audience's interests. Before launching a campaign, ensure you have a good amount of recent, high-quality content on your profile to boost your credibility. Lastly, keep your content authentic and aligned with your brand. TikTok users value genuine connections, so stay true to your business's voice and mission. Avoid content that feels forced or strays away from your values, and consistency and authenticity are key in building trust with your audience on TikTok. So there you have it, advanced tips and tricks to elevate your TikTok game. Keep pushing boundaries, stay creative, and most importantly, have fun with your content.